Right, hey everyone, just wanted to show you a new thing that I've created that goes in. It's a water pumping system that runs off solar power. So we've got a switch here which runs off that. That in turn runs off a 200 watt solar panel which runs down through the inside, down through the electrics, down into the control panel. I've also got other switches in here, which I have a switch for. I have 12 volt lighting, which can be controlled by that. There's several things. I have another pump, which is a water pump, which will pump water from water butts into IBCs, or it can be used for watering. I'll take you that outside and show you that now. So at the moment I've got it emptying, and I've got it emptying a water barrel. As you can see, it's got a filter on the end. This at some point will be plumbed in properly, and this in turn runs to this. Now this is a 12 volt pump, caravan pump, which pretty regular. They cost about a tenner to buy, so it's easy, really easy to wire up. And they just use, as you can see, they just use normal connectors, hosepipe connectors, which in turn runs up. For the moment I've just got it running on a hose, which runs into the IBC, as you can see. Running water that runs off that. That'll empty the barrel, and for the time being that's just running into my IBC to the top, which in turn runs down inside via there into the tank. And that's 1,000 litres of water, so it's just it's a good way of saving water, really. That's you know, if your water butts get full and you've got nowhere to put it, then it's a great way of pumping it. I started this off at 700 litres. I'm up to 8.5 now, so and I've emptied 4 IBCs, 4 water butts, so that's a fair amount of water that goes in. I've got one there, and down the bottom of my allotment, which I'm yet to wire in and plumb in, down here I have another IBC tank down here, which in turn I will be plumbing that in and wiring that into to an additional 12 volt pump at some point. So I'll have so I should have around about, well, I should have at least 2,000 litres of water at my disposal. So there you go. Any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you.